Here today, yes, making my first curry since being back. And I gotta minister to it real quick, so that's what I'm doing. Ministering to my cooking here, my curry. So I'm using kale leaves here with tofu and ground pork meat there, viewers. So we're getting this cooking slowly. So using red curry paste. So let this keep cooking here. So this is it here. Visiting my brother here. Hey, there's my bicycle here. Here's what the weather looks like out here, viewers. And I'm going to probably take off on Tuesday, go back to Akron. So we're going to put this back here. So that's what I'm doing. Cooking up a curry here. Using ground turkey meat, kale leaves, and tofu. Red curry paste. So that's about it there, viewers. So God bless you. See you in the next clip. Bye-bye.